If you wanna activate your GOAT skills in NBA 2K26, you'll need to set it up first. When you enter My Career, you already have one assigned by default, and each GOAT skill comes with a specific requirement. For example, the one I am showing here is based on shooting. You need to attempt 5 mid-range shots to activate it. Once it's active, you'll notice certain attributes get a big boost. Things like driving layup, mid-range shot, interior defense, and speed with ball can all jump significantly. You only get one activation per game, and it's usually lasts for about 4 minutes of game time. To trigger it, you just need to complete the listed requirements during the match. Once you have done that, you will see a complete sign appear on your screen. From there, press the right stick in to activate your GOAT skill. If your pop-up notifications are enabled, you will see an on-screen alert confirming it's active. And yeah, that's all it takes to use your GOAT skill effectively in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.